Hi, this is Zeedign Tutorials. This video is sort of an update or follow-up to a previous video that I uploaded on this channel regarding the passive income that I'm generating as a Shutterstock contributor with a very little amount of work. Now, in this video, as I promised in the first one, I'm going to share a strategy with you that has helped me a lot in generating this reasonable amount of income each month. And secondly, I wanted to update you regarding this month's income. So here is the last day of this month. So this is the income so far is $233, and here is the earning summary for this month. So for the March 2022, I got 694 downloads and I have generated $233 earnings. And as far as the all-time totals are concerned, I have got 12,916 downloads and the earnings so far are 4,655. Okay, so if you haven't watched the previous video, the first one, I would really suggest you to watch that, because there I have elaborated the potential of Shutterstock contributor account, and at least in my case, and I have displayed how the best score of mine in terms of dollars is $700 per month. So that is the potential I have achieved so far. Anyway, for this year, here is the breakdown of this year so far. So for January it was $118. Then for the next month I got $174. This is where I recorded the first video. At that time, during the recording time, I was at I think $124, and by the end of that month I got $174, and this month I have earned $233 so far. Okay, so at the moment it's on the rise. So as far as number of downloads are concerned, for this year 2022 so far, 1,800 downloads and $525. So not bad, right? Now let's this is an update, okay? And if you want to know a more detailed analysis of the earning potential, I have shared that in my first video. So in this video I'm going to target the strategies. Okay, now I will not be able to share all the strategies because that would make this video too long. So I'm going to share the strategies one by one. So in this video I'm going to share one strategy or one factor that I have understood during these years, and I think that would help you a lot as well. So let's get to that, and then I can talk about other stuff later. So that important factor is timing that I have understood so far, is the timing of when you upload your design and when you bring that to the competition. Now if you notice here, I have my top 5 performers, and by performer I mean single designs. Okay, here are the sets and here are just single designs. So this one single design has earned me $519 so far, and it has been downloaded more than 1,000 times. Similarly, this design, a New Year design, it has this single design has earned me $482, and this design, which is quite similar to this one, it has generated $271 on its own. Same goes for others. So if you notice closely, what I have experienced so far is that if I upload my design a bit early to when the competition is going to be high, for example, let's take an example of these two. These are the New Year designs. So these are for the year 2021, the New Year 2021. Now what I used to do is that, for example, the New Year is going to be on 1st of January 2021, right? So at the best I might assume that I should upload the design maybe during the last week of December, or maybe in the first week of January, but that's not going to help me a lot, because yeah, maybe as a fresh upload I might get few downloads, but that's it, and then that chapter is going to be closed. On the other hand, what I've noticed is that if I upload my design few months early, and not too early, but at least 1 month early. Okay, so you will notice a range here. So for the 2021 year, I uploaded this design in October, and I uploaded this design by the end of September. So let's call them October. Okay, so in other words, I uploaded these two designs 3 months earlier than when it was supposed to be uploaded, right? I was targeting year 2021, and I was uploading the designs 3 months earlier. So the logic behind that is that because in Shutterstock, it's not yeah, the quality matters, it does matter, and I will explain those factors as well in upcoming videos, but its algorithm is more focused on the number of downloads. If a design is getting more downloads, it will improve in rank, and once it improve in rank, it will keep on getting more downloads. And even if I personally, once I was getting success in this design, I tried to upload new designs and even better ones, but they never got that much attention like this one did. And the only reason was this one came in the market earlier, and it got some early downloads when there was less competition, and when there was very few people who were uploading for who were targeting 2021, because it was too way ahead. So at that time there was less competition, and during that less competition, if you get those few early downloads, that is going to give you an edge during once the real competition starts in the last month or very close to that event. Okay, so the same thing happened with the coronavirus design. This is my best performer so far. It's a coronavirus design. Now if you remember, the peak of coronavirus, the first wave when it happened, or when everybody was talking about it, it was in March 2020, and before that it was just restricted to China or maybe a few other countries. So in the very early days, when there was a very little bit of talk of coronavirus and in China, during those days, if you notice here, it's the end of January 2020. At that time it was not a pandemic, it was just a few headlines. So at that time I uploaded this design. There was almost no competition there, and this design started getting downloaded because nobody was making designs for coronavirus, and nobody was expecting it to get this bigger in few months. So I got those few early downloads, and that made this image really strong in ranking. And then afterwards, when the real competition started, when everybody started making designs for coronavirus, and when it became a pandemic and everybody was talking about it, that was the time when this design of mine was getting that slight edge, and that's what kept it going. And even after about 2 years now, if you see here, I'm still getting it as a download. See, we are now in 2022 and it still gets downloaded. Why? Because of that timing factor. Okay, so I hope with these two examples, I can quote many examples of this timing thing, but I hope you got my point. And so the summary is, whenever you want to target something, in addition to targeting the quality of it, you must focus on the timing as well. The timing matters a lot. You need to be a little earlier than others, because at that time, if you will be early, there will be less competition, and during that less competition you can get some downloads, and because of those downloads your design will improve in ranking, and it will still stay above during the real competition. So I hope this video was helpful. I would really love to share more factors and more tricks with you in upcoming videos, but it all boils down to your response. So I would really appreciate if you will like this video, subscribe to this channel, and comment if you have any questions. I will answer all of your queries. So it all depends on that. If I will get a very little response, then obviously it will discourage me to share more stuff. So I hope this would help you in improving your earnings or starting Shutterstock contributor account as a source of passive income. So this is the second video of this Shutterstock contributor series, and you can hope to get more videos in the near future. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will leave the link to the previous video either in the same video's top link or in the description, or maybe the video will appear afterwards by the end. So don't forget to watch that so that you will get to know about the earning potential. And finally, do subscribe to this channel for more videos of this sort and some other tutorials related to Photoshop, Illustrator, and some other designing tools. And don't forget to like and comment. Have a nice day.